this video, I will show you how to enable passwordless login on OnlyFans. So if you want to log in without a password on your OnlyFans, then I will show you how you can do this. So first of all, we're going over to OnlyFans, and you can also do this from the browser. And then from there, we're going to click on the profile tab all the way at the bottom right. So let's do that. And then we're going to click on settings in here. From your settings tab, go ahead and click on account. And in here, we need to scroll down, and there under security, we will find this option passwordless sign in. So let's click on this. So if you have a compatible device, you can enable passwordless authentication. That can be Face ID, Windows Hello, or biometric authentication with a password or fingerprint. So go ahead and click on add a device to passwordless sign in. So I'm going to click on this. Then I'm going to give my device a name. So I'm going to call it tutorial. Then I'm going to click on save. And right now it will ask to enable a keychain. So now you need to click on turn on iCloud keychain in my case. But if you are on an Android device, this will be something else. So just go ahead and turn this on. So once you have filled this in, you will have passwordless sign in on your OnlyFans, and that is it for the video. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.